making mistakes and learning from them.
Hi guys, welcome to Jai Pe Charcha. Chai Pe Charcha आज हो नहीं पाई because chai ही नहीं. But I'm sitting here with Rhythm today. You remember him from the last video?
Hello. When I was preparing, so I used to maintain different notebooks for different purposes. So I used to maintain roughly 4 notebooks.
अच्छा.
Let's call them notebook A, notebook B, notebook C, and notebook D.
Okay.
Right?
Let's talk about what is this notebook A and why should students make it.
Imagine one day before the exam, right? And you have to revise the entire chapter of, let's say, complex numbers. So how do you do that in 15 minutes?
Right.
So maintaining and creating a notebook is really important for that purpose. And this notebook mein, for all the chapters, every important formula, every important note, anything that you find interesting and is important that your teachers tells you that it's important,
Like the rules.
the rules and the derivations, in fact,
Right.
should go there.
I think that's a great advice. It will help students, take the burden off and
Right.
revise instantly during the last few days.
Right.
Would you like to throw some light on what is this phenomena called notebook B?
Sure, why not? So, अब since 30 दिन रह गए हैं,
Right.
so this is the time when every student should start giving live full mock tests every day.
हर दिन. And I think MyPact is a great place to do that.
Definitely, yes. And one thing to also consider is that you should try and give these tests at the time when the actual JEE main is going to happen.
Right, so that you can sink in with your...
Biological clock.
Right.
When you are giving that live mock test every day, there are going to be certain questions where you do wrong, right? And there are going to be certain things that you learn from that paper every day, right? So notebook B is all about storing those nifty ways of solving a question, the new and novel ways of solving a question, so that you write them there, and before every exam you just revise those ways.
Okay.
So that it's always in your mind कि यार what was that new way of solving any question.
It just refreshes your memory every
Exactly.
time you go for the paper. Yeah,
Exactly.
That's wonderful. Moving on to notebook C. What is it? Tell us.
So notebook C is all about making mistakes and learning from them.
Okay.
So whenever you are attempting any test, you are obviously going to make mistakes, right? And mistakes are not always bad. You
Right.
should make all the mistakes that you can during when you are practicing. So you need to learn from every mistake that you make during the live test that you are giving.
Okay.
So notebook C is all about identifying those mistakes and writing them down in a notebook.
Right.
So that before attempting any test, you'll figure out कि यार ये गलती मुझे दोबारा नहीं करनी है.
Can you give an example of what kind of mistake it could be?
So it could be any mistake like miscalculation error, a wrong formula at the wrong time, missing a step during calculation.
Right.
Right.
So Rhythm, we have talked about 3 different notebooks, students making a list of all the important formulae, writing
Right.
down their mistakes and also writing down all the cool tricks that they have come up with. Apart from what they write in the notebooks, the external environment also makes a difference as to वो क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या सोच रहे हैं, कैसे practice कर रहे हैं, उनका क्या नजरिया रहेगा when they are, sitting for the paper.
Right.
So I just wanted to know, what did your room look like when you were preparing for JEE?
My room, I think I can remember a large pile of books placed at one place. I think two, three distinct things that I used to have. एक तो periodic table and important formulas का I used to have a big, large chart paper.
Okay.
So that every time I wake up, you see that and it visually you remember things, right?
Right.
And secondly, I had a list of top 5 reasons why I wanted to clear IIT JEE written there as well. So I'm a big believer of these visuals impacting your psychology and motivating you to achieve your goals. So Notebook D is about fundamentally visualizing what you have learned. Right? So it's not exactly a notebook. It can be a notebook as well. Writing formulas or writing these mind maps in their own language really helps them clear their mind.
So you're saying that students could stick all these chart papers and
Yes, definitely.
all the formulae that are very uniquely important to them, and that can impact their performance
Learning.
in the paper.
Yes.
Great tip.